Hi, I'm Dr. Kyle Stanley, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what should I do for pain in my wisdom tooth? Well, it's very common to have pain in your wisdom teeth. Usually they don't come in all the way, they're impacted, they push on other teeth. Now, the best thing to do is to get to your dentist as soon as possible, take an x-ray and have it evaluated. Now, of course, this isn't always possible because life gets in the way sometimes. So the easiest thing to do is take some ibuprofen. You can take 600 or 800 milligrams. This is also called Advil. And this is an over-the-counter medication that will really help with your pain until you can get to the dentist and have it evaluated. Number 2 would be to rinse with warm salt water. Oftentimes with wisdom tooth pain, you get food or plaques stuck in these little pockets, which can cause inflammation. And the salt water can help get some of this out, control this inflammation until you have time to get to the dentist. So these are 2 quick things to help you with your wisdom tooth pain before you get to the dentist. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.